Does your iPhone keep showing the iCloud storage is full message? Seeing that pop up on the screen is annoying, right? I had the exact same problem. I got tired of seeing this message every day. I thought I would eventually have to buy iCloud storage. Today, I will show you some settings to almost completely clear your iCloud storage without spending a single dollar. I fixed the problem this exact way myself. Watch the whole video carefully. Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. I know you do not want to waste time. So we will go straight to the main video. Today we will turn off some hidden settings on your iPhone that are eating up your iCloud storage space without you knowing. Grab your phone right now. Follow along with me step by step. First, we will look at where the real problem hides. Open the Settings app. Tap right at the top on your name and picture. Then go to iCloud. This colorful storage bar you see here tells the real truth. It shows exactly what is taking up the most space. Look closely. Now scroll down a bit. Tap on the Show All text. The list that appears here will shock you. So many apps pile up here that you might not even open once in 6 months. They quietly take up your iCloud storage. Now we need to identify the biggest enemies. Turn off the toggles for apps that have no reason to store data in iCloud. For example, look at this old game. Do you see the green toggle on the right side? Tap on it to turn it off. This will not delete the data on your phone. It just stops backing up to iCloud. Do the exact same thing to turn off toggles for all unnecessary apps. I should mention another thing. Safari history and keyboard data also save here. If you do not need to sync these to other devices, turn them off too. You will save a lot of space. Now tap the back arrow to return to the previous menu. Look here at Manage Account Storage. This is the control room of iCloud. Tap right here. We can clean up anything we want from this menu. At the top, photos and backups usually take up the most space. We will clean out the small things first. Scroll down. If you see voice memos or any other app, tap on it. Go inside and tap the red Delete Data from iCloud button at the bottom. Then tap the red Delete again to confirm. We are getting ready to clear out storage by removing these small things. Now we will go to the real big enemy. Go back and tap on photos. Pictures and videos eat up the most iCloud storage. Do not worry. We will save a lot of space without deleting your important photos. You will see an option here called Optimize iPhone Storage. If this is off, turn it on right now. When you turn this on, your iPhone only keeps small previews of the pictures. The original high-quality photos stay safely in iCloud. When you want to look at a photo closely, it downloads from the internet right then. This saves your phone storage and your iCloud space. After that, you can manually delete unnecessary screenshots. Now open the Photos app. Go to the Albums tab at the bottom. Look at the Duplicates option at the very bottom in the Utilities section. This is one of the strongest hidden features in iOS. When you enter duplicates, you will see how many copies of the same picture just sit there. Tap on Select at the top. Then tap Select All to select every duplicate. Now tap the Merge button at the bottom. Select Merge Exact Copies. Your iPhone automatically keeps the best quality picture and deletes the rest. It takes just a few seconds, but the results are amazing. You have another important job left after deleting duplicates. Go to the recently deleted folder, unlock it with Face ID. Deleted photos stay here for up to 30 days and take up space. Tap Select and then Delete All. Now all the photos are truly gone forever. Go back to Settings and see how much space cleared up. It feels like magic. Now come over to iCloud Drive. Open the Files app, go to the Browse tab, then tap on iCloud Drive. All your documents and PDFs are stored here. I have a quick request right now. Give the video a like if it helped you so far. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. We regularly bring practical tech tips like this. Now we will look at some hidden tricks for iCloud Drive. You will see a small cloud icon next to some files here. This means they are only in the cloud. Press and hold on a large file. A pop-up menu will appear. If you only want to remove it from your phone, then delete it. If you want to erase it completely, tap the red Delete option. This removes it from iCloud forever. We will move to the most important part now. Go back to Settings. Enter iCloud. Go to Manage Account Storage. Then go to Backups and now select your device. This will show backups for all your devices. You will often see a backup from an old phone from 3 or 4 years ago just sitting there. Tap on it, scroll down and tap on Turn Off and Delete from iCloud. Confirm it. Do not worry, this will not delete any data from your current phone. Now tap on the backup for your current phone. Go to the choose data to backup option and turn off the switches for apps that do not need a backup. This will make your regular backup size much smaller. You will never have to pay extra money for iCloud storage again if you follow these few simple steps correctly. Honestly, my phone storage became much healthier after learning this. How much storage did you clear up on your phone now? Let me know in the comments below. Share the video if you liked it. I will bring more great tips in the next video. That is all for today. Take care.